Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor. Today, we're revealing the world of delicious homemade snacks with full of flavor and nutrition. Jump right in. Avocado and tomato bruschetta. A fresh and vibrant snack bursting with flavors. Ingredients: baguette slices, ripe avocados, mashed, cherry tomatoes, diced, fresh basil leaves, chopped, olive oil, balsamic glaze, salt, and pepper to taste. Toast baguette slices until golden. Spread mashed avocado on each slice. Top with diced tomatoes and fresh basil. Raw salmon is optional. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic glaze. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Enjoy this refreshing bruschetta for a delightful snack. Energy-boosting trail mix. A perfect blend of nuts, seeds, and sweetness to keep you fueled. Ingredients: almonds, walnuts, and cashews. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. Dried fruits, apricots, cranberries, or raisins. Dark chocolate chunks or chips. Coconut flakes. Mix all ingredients in a bowl. Adjust ratios to your liking. Pack in small portions for a quick and energizing snack on the go. For a crunchy and satisfying treat, try our sweet potato chips with yogurt dip. Ingredients: sweet potatoes, thinly sliced. Olive oil, paprika, salt, and pepper. Greek yogurt. Fresh dill or chives, chopped. Toss sweet potato slices with olive oil, paprika, salt, and pepper. Bake until crispy. Mix Greek yogurt with fresh dill or chives for a flavorful dip. Dip and enjoy these homemade sweet potato chips. Let's create caprese bites inspired by the classic Italian salad. Ingredients: cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella balls, basil leaves, balsamic glaze. Put a cherry tomato, mozzarella ball, and basil leaf on your plates. Drizzle with balsamic glaze just before serving. Enjoy these elegant and delicious bites. We'll finish off with a sweet note: dark chocolate dipped strawberries. Ingredients: fresh strawberries, dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. Chopped nuts or coconut flakes, optional. Melt dark chocolate in a microwave or on a stovetop. Dip each strawberry into the melted chocolate. Place on parchment paper and sprinkle with chopped nuts or coconut flakes if desired. Savor the rich, indulgent flavor of these homemade treats. There you have it, 5 yummy and easy to make snacks to satisfy your cravings. Happy snacking, and stay well.